Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy and make you homes and habitat and continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very happy and amazing beautiful designs show to you people in all the designs today are all new designs I am sharing with you today. Video is very proud to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for guys, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us comment box how you can like or subscribe if you want to any and if you guys do want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else and make you similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss a lovely video, and I hope you my all video is very beautiful designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs and will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.